going on, guys? We're back at it again. Got the PLX wideband in, and the actual AFR box and the O2 sensor. So, all right. So you guys can see you got the charger kind of apart here. Pulled out these panels, these left and right kind of sail panels. They just pop out with clips. You can kind of see them in there where the clips go. So trying to do this without making any holes or modifications to the center console or the floorboard or anything. Went ahead and pulled out the cigarette lighter and ran a voltmeter on this socket when the key is on. That's your cigarette lighter socket. Basically has a positive and a negative. Tapped into there with that, and then that power wire runs. So that power wire runs to this AFR box, air fuel ratio box, and you can see power, analog, TX, and RX. I believe that's wideband and narrowband, and then you got your O2 sensor. So this one goes under the floorboard where I just showed you. Again, that's not tied into the OE vehicle emission system. That's a standalone O2 sensor. Let's do this AFR gauge. This is a wideband. Let's go ahead and basically see if she boots up. So there's that multi-gauge. So here you go, 14.5, and now the car's not running right now, so obviously it'll change once you step on the throttle, get off the throttle. So it's actually dropping. But anyway, I'm gonna button this up and show you guys kind of the finished product. So, all right, folks, got most of everything up here. See, check it out. So the PLX box is under the seat. When I remove the seat, I'll actually kind of hide those wires better. But for now, it's they're ran under the carpet through this kind of crack. So through this crack right here, and then up. So you can see some of them right here in this gap. And then it goes up to the gauge, which is kind of hanging off. It's pretty cool. I've had a lot of autometer gauges before, and they're a lot deeper than this. Pretty shallow gauge, and I got these Scosche, I think that's what they're called, Scosche vent pods for your cell phone, and they don't really work too well. So they don't really work too well. I mean, once you kind of mount them on there, they just fall off. So I think it's just a heavy phone. But this gauge is pretty light, and I think it'd be perfect for that. So again, I'm not trying to permanently mount anything, just because I like the factory look. So yeah, another option would be getting a gauge pod. But for this installation, I'm honestly just using it to data log. What's going on, guys? We're back. It's the next day here, and got the charger out over at Rad Motorsports, and we're gonna throw it back on the rollers one more time before some big changes. So predictions are maybe 10 horsepower more, but I don't know if we'll see that 400. But I think with a 6.4 manifold, it'll pick up throughout the RPM band. So that's my prediction. Again, it's not a huge power number out of it, but it should pick up all throughout the curve. So let's get it on the dyno. left the earplugs in the car. I think they heated up. Good. Goes to show you that it loves the 89 tune, so this 5.7's love the 89 tune for some reason. So there you have it, folks. Almost 400 to the wheels of torque, about 8 off, but let's get her out of here. So as you guys can see, the 5.7 loves that 89 octane. The 92 wasn't as happy with. Still made decent power, but definitely didn't see the 20 rear wheel torque number that we did with the 89 tune. So again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And they do tuning?
I don't know, honestly.
What are they doing?
Just a dyno. They just do pulls, so just to see where it's at.
Have you done any extras on it?
It's got an intake and a cam, so.
What kind of intake you do?
The 6.4. I don't know if you saw it.
It's a little bigger, right?
Yeah, it's a bigger engine. Like the bigger engine has the intake on it.
Yeah,
it's
bigger
weird,
engine, bigger engine.
Yeah.
I just built an engine for my Magnum, and I got
cool.
it's a small Hemi, but
Yeah.
I got this.
Well, that's a 5.7.
Huh?
That's the 5.7, so it's probably the same.
Same thing? Well, that's
Yeah.
generation 3. This is 18, 19?
15. 15, so yeah, like the first room. Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, it's a fun little car for sure.
So they're checking out your add-ons is what you did?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we just put down 371.